How to create a glow effect in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to the 9 dots in the top right. Scroll down and open up the slides. Now, once your Google Slides open up, choose the slide that you want to work on and then find the slide where you want to create the glow effect. Now just select the text and then go to Format in the ribbon bar and then tap on Format options. Now go to Drop Shadow and then increase the opacity to the highest and you can see the color option. Tap on it and change to a different color other than black. And then there you can see the glow effect is clearly visible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.